What's up guys, welcome back. Another experiment with propane. We're gonna put this propane inside a microwave, one of these flares inside with the propane, and then shoot it with the 50 caliber and see what happens. All right, let's go. Straight like that in the middle. All right, let's go. I'm gonna be shooting these red silver tip. These are armor piercing incendiary tracers. Fire in the hole! Clear! Here's our microwave. Ah, it's hot. There it is. Let's toast it. So that's where it went in from. Center. And yeah, that's it. Not much left. If I'm not mistaken, the propane went that way, so hopefully that other camera caught it. There's pieces over there I can see. Here's some extra pieces, and that's that. Let me know what else you want a propane inside of with the explosion, and I'll try to make it happen. But for now, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Now I gotta take this back to the store, explain to them how this happened. Maybe open a lawsuit, be like, you know what? I tried to microwave my burrito, but it didn't work. It exploded on me.